Good morning to all of you. My today presentation topic is electrochemistry. It is video for visually impaired students and its topic is definition of pH. We know that a solution may be neutral, acidic or alkaline. The ionic product of water is Kw is equal to H3O positive concentration and concentration of OH negative ion is equal to 1.0 into 10 raised to power minus 14 at 298 Kelvin. Always holds good. Thus, if H3O positive ion concentration of a solution is known, OH negative ion concentration is automatically fixed. Thus, to express the acidity or alkalinity of a solution, it is sufficient to express only the H3O positive ion concentration. Since the product of H3O positive and OH negative ion is always 1.0 into 10 raised to power minus 14. The concentration of H3O positive ions may vary from 10 raised to power 0, that is 1 molar, to 10 raised to power minus 14 molar. Thus a solution may have concentration of H3O positive is equal to 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 5 molar, or which may be written as 0.000025 molar. Obviously, such a method of expressing the H3O positive ion concentration is quite cumbersome. Sorensen in 1909 suggested a convenient method of expressing the H3O positive ion concentration in terms of pH. The symbol has been taken from the Danish word potential, dihydrogen ion, which means power of hydrogen ion. The following different definitions of pH are used to express H3O positive ion concentration. pH of a solution is defined as the magnitude of the negative power to which 10 must be raised to express the hydronium ion concentration. Thus, if in a solution concentration of H3O positive ion is equal to 10 raised to power minus x, then pH is equal to x. However, this definition can be used only where the concentration of H3O positive ion can be expressed as a power of 10. In many cases, it may not be easy to do so. Example, a solution may have concentration of H3O positive ion is equal to 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 5 molar. A more general definition may be arrived at from equation 1 as follows. Taking logarithm of both sides of equation 1, we get logarithm of concentration of H3O positive ion is equal to log 10 minus power minus x is equal to minus x log 10 is equal to minus x, or x is equal to minus log of concentration of H3O positive ion, that is pH is equal to minus log of concentration of H3O positive ion. This is the most common form used in numerical problem. Thus, pH may be defined as negative logarithm of hydronium ion concentration. Equation 2 may be written as pH is equal to log concentration of H3O positive ion raised to power minus 1 is equal to pH log 1 upon H3O positive ion. Hence, pH may also be defined as logarithm of the reciprocal of H3O positive ion concentration. pH scale. Theoretically, a solution may have any H3O positive ion concentration and hence may have any pH value. However, practically the solution having H3O positive ion or OH negative ion concentration more than 10 raised to power 0, 1 molar, and hence OH negative ion or H3O positive ion concentration less than 10 raised to power minus 14 molar are not common. This is because such solutions are not easy to obtain, and moreover, as the concentration increases, the degree of dissociation of the acids or the base decreases enormously. Hence, the pH range is taken as 0 to 14 for most of the practical purpose. The acidity or the alkalinity of a solution may be represented on the pH scale as follows: pOH, pK and pKb. Just as we have pH is equal to minus log of concentration of H positive ion, similarly we have pOH is equal to minus log of concentration of OH negative ion. pKa is equal to minus log of Ka, pKb is equal to minus log of Kb, Kw is equal to minus log of Kw, where Ka and Kb represent ionization constant of the acid and the base respectively. Kw is ionic product of water. Greater the value of ionization constant of the acid or the base Ka or Kb, smaller is the value of pKa and pKb, and stronger is the acid or the base, and vice versa. Thus, larger the value of pKa or pKb, weaker is the acid or the base. For example, if two acids Ha1 and Ha2 have ionization constant Ka1 is equal to 10 raised to power minus 4 and Ka2 is equal to 10 raised to power minus 5, then as Ka1 greater than Ka2, acid Ha1 is stronger than Ha2. In terms of the pKa value, pKa1 is equal to 4 and pKa2 is equal to 5. Relationship between pH and pOH. As stated above, just as pH is equal to minus log of concentration of H positive ion, similarly pOH is equal to minus log of OH negative ion concentration. Since concentration of H3O positive ion product of concentration of OH negative ion is equal to Kw is equal to 10 raised to power minus 14 at 25 degrees Celsius. That's why log concentration of H3O positive plus log concentration of OH negative ion is equal to log Kw is equal to log 10 raised to power minus 14 is equal to minus 14. That is minus log concentration of H3O positive ion minus log of concentration of OH negative ion is equal to minus log of Kw is equal to 14. pH plus pOH is equal to pKw is equal to 14. Relationship between Ka and Kb or pKa and pKb value between ionization constant of a weak acid and that of its conjugate base. Consider the weak acid HF. Its conjugate base is F negative. These dissociate as follow: HF dissociate to give H positive plus F negative. Equilibrium constant Ka is equal to concentration of product, that is concentration of H positive into concentration of F negative divided by concentration of product, that is concentration of HF. F negative plus H2O is equal to OH negative plus HF. Kb is equal to concentration of OH negative into HF divided by concentration of reactant, that is F negative. Multiplying equation 1 and 2, we get Ka into Kb is equal to concentration of H positive into concentration of OH negative ion is equal to Kw, that is Ka into Kb is equal to Kw. Log of Ka plus log of Kb is equal to log of Kw. Minus log of Ka minus log of Kb is equal to minus log of Kw, that is minus log of 10 raised to power minus 14. pKa plus pKb is equal to pKw is equal to 14. Limitations of pH scale. The pH value of the solution do not give the exact idea of their relative strength. For example, a solution of pH is equal to 1 has hydrogen ion concentration 100 times than that of a solution of pH is equal to 3 and not the 3 times. A4 into 10 raised to power minus 5 and normality HCl solution is twice concentrated as compared to 2 into 10 raised to power minus 5 normality HCl solution, but the pH value of these solutions are 4.4 and 4.7 respectively and not doubled. pH is equal to 0 is obtained in 1 normality solution of a strong acid, and for concentration 2 normality, 3 normality, 10 normality, etc. the value can be negative 2. Similarly, for a concentrated solution of a strong base, pH can be greater than 14. A 10 raised to power minus 8 molar solution of acid cannot have pH is equal to 8. The value will be close to but less than 7. Similarly, 10 raised to power minus 8 molar NaOH solution cannot have pH is equal to 6. The value will be close to 7 but greater than 7. Effect of temperature on pH of the neutral water. It may be remembered that Kw is equal to 10 raised to power minus 14 only at 298 Kelvin, and hence pH is equal to 7 for neutral water only at 298 Kelvin temperature. As temperature is increased, H2O molecule increase, producing large amount of the H positive ion concentration. H positive ion concentration increase and becomes greater than 10 raised to power minus 7. Hence, pH is less than 7. Higher the temperature, greater is the dissociation of water molecules. Higher the concentration of H positive ion, lesser is the pH than 7. Thus, pH of the neutral water decrease more and more than 7 as temperature is increased. However, as at any temperature, concentration of H positive is equal to concentration of OH negative ion, water remains neutral. A few interesting results are given below. At 273 Kelvin temperatures or 0 degree Celsius, Kw is equal to 10 raised to power minus 15. pH of neutral solution at these temperatures is equal to 7.5 and pH scale is 0 to 15. At 333 Kelvin at 60 degree Celsius, Kw is equal to 10 raised to power minus 13. pH of neutral solution is equal to 6.5 and pH range is 0 to 13. At the temperature of the human body, which is nearly 37 degrees Celsius, pH of neutral solution is 6.5. Measurement of pH. Though accurate measurement of pH of a solution is done with the help of an instrument called pH meter, approximate pH within the range of 0.5 can be determined with the help of a pH paper, which show different color when dipped in solution of different pH. Thank you.